Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we have for you a very rare NEC phone, which is the N900. Very small device, compact, and this is a somewhat incomplete bundle. We have two of the N900s here along with two accessory sets, so we're going to take a look at each one and see what we got. And to have it in the box here is pretty rare. We haven't seen anything like this. And let's just get into it and opening it from the side here. This is the first N900 phone. Let's put this back to show you how it looks. On the back we have, I believe that's Japanese, I'm not sure. NEC N900, there's the IMEI number, the sticker on the back. And this was released back in 2004. Very small display. On this side of the box we have our original headset. Pretty cool. On this side we have the phone, which is stashed inside this little pocket. And that's how small the phone is. That is pretty crazy. The display size is 1.8 inches. And you have to use it like this. See the numbers there? And that's how you are able to go through your contacts and things like that. So before we move on to looking at this a little closer, I'm going to put this one back and open up the accessories. Here's the first accessory box. We have the original N900 CD, desktop wizard, or GPRS wizard, it says there. Memory editor. Then our original manuals. Here's our car charger. Let's see what we got here. Not sure what this is. So again, this is incomplete. There are some pieces that are missing. This is pretty cool. This is a we got some IMEI stickers. This is an attachment for the camera. Very nice. Open it like that. This alone is pretty rare. Very unique. There's your data. And your headphone. Looks like headphone right there. All still new. Very cool. And this one has the data cable. Original NEC data cable. I notice in some forum posts that people are looking for this data cable for this charger. They've come across the phone, but they're unable to use it because of the missing charger. So, very happy we have sold this to a good customer of ours. Here's the second accessory box. A different manual in this one. This one also has a different little, almost a quick guide. And then it has a random European, not sure if this is original or just thrown in there. Here again is the camera attachment. Here is the data cable that was inside this box. and the second phone that I pulled out of this box. Let's take a closer look at this phone. You can see the keys there on the top. Very small buttons. At the top, or I guess on the side, well, this would be the top because the NEC logo is facing us like that, along with the earpiece. Speaker right there. On the top we have our data charging port. On this side we have our pickup phone call and power on and off, our camera button. On the other side we have our SIM card slot tray. And on the top also we have a option to add a lanyard, keychain or something. There's the camera right there. And the camera is pretty small. It doesn't really have a pixel. It does not have a memory card slot. It does have a phone book. And it has 2 megabytes of internal storage, so it has call records of 20 dialed, 20 received, and 20 missed calls. The resolution on this is 120 by 160 pixels at 4:3 ratio. So let's try on this camera and see how this works. Slide her in here, like that, and that's how you use it. Very cool. So there you have it. That is the NEC N900 phone. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this unique piece. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on the next one.